Hey guys, welcome back to another live software update of my upcoming new TOFFEE-Mocha software. So far in my previous episodes I have discussed about the features which I have supported like constant packet delays and dynamic packet delays, and in my yesterday's video I have discussed about random packet drops, which I am in the process of supporting the same, and last night and today I have completed the same, and I'm doing various tests and I'm quite impressed. Let me show my setup quickly. I have connected two systems in between my PC, so that the PC will act like a TOFFEE-Mocha WAN emulation software. With that we can test the new packet drop feature. So let me show you my setup so that I can take you guys to my desktop and I can discuss the feature. This is quite interesting because the way I have supported is you can set the probability, and the probability in the order of the random numbers between 1 to 10 and random numbers between 1 to 20. So it will be like 1 in a chance of 10 numbers and 1 in a chance of 20 numbers, and so on. So in that way you can set the probability. If it is you need something like very less probability, you can set it like 1 in every 100 numbers. So in that case you can set the probability factor of 10 So that's about it. So I have finished the entire GUI features to support this new feature, and I have also did lots of refinement in the settings pages of the GUI, and I have neatly organized so that you can have a different section like packet drops as well as packet delays and stuff like this. So let me show my setup before the same. So I have connected a laptop here which is acting like an end laptop, and everything else is connected via this PC, and here is the laptop which is doing the ping operation. So it is pinging via this PC, which you can see below, which is my Cooler Master case, and you can see the screen stats. So this is my setup. So what is the thing this let me open the screen capture. So as you can see here, it is currently showing the packets being dropped, and effectively the bytes been not sent across. So this is what it is currently showing, and as you can see here, the settings page is completely refined, and earlier it is showing something called as basic settings, whereas now I have split it into two settings pages so that you get this packet delay and packet drop, as you can see here. So the packet delay will have so far supported features which I have anyway discussed in my previous episodes, whereas the new packet drop is supported in a dedicated settings page, as you can see here. So with this you can enable and disable the random packet drops, and you can set the drop factor. So currently I have set the drop factor as 3, and corresponding to that, if you go the statistics, if you go and view the statistics, you can see here this corresponds to the packet drop factor of 3, and this corresponds to packet drop factor of 2, and this corresponds to packet drop value of 1. So with this you can go to the home page and you can see the entire consolidated stats, and then you can also see the big picture. As you can see, there is a lot of difference between the previous big picture versus the latest big picture. I have updated everything, and I have segregated, and I have split it across based on its feature type. So you can see the packet delay split across, and there is a separate section called packet drop, and in future if I support more features I may add few more things under the same. So this is how it's been done, and I'm very impressed with the packet drop feature, and I'm also curious about its probability. I'm kind of thinking various scenarios which I can come across, and down the lane in my phase 2 implementation followed after this month, I may support something like packet corruption and a few other features, and in terms of packet drop also I'm thinking what else I can support within the same as. So this is turning out to be quite interesting, and this is the reason I started the TOFFEE-Mocha project, so that I have the entire control of WAN emulation, and with the WAN emulation in place I can do much refinements in TOFFEE, and I can do lot of research in TOFFEE WAN optimization, and with these scenarios in place you can do like fine-tuning of TOFFEE, and you can test various scenarios, and you can optimize your WAN network. Not necessarily you need a real network. I mean, this is sufficient to simulate any sort of 3G networks, any sort of 4G networks or satellite networks, and so on. So this is what I was quite busy in this entire month, and I just want to finish at any cost by today, so that with these features in place, and the TOFFEE-Mocha will be ready for the release. And as I said in my previous episodes, I'm going to freeze it, and I'm going to do a feature freeze, and then I'm going to port it in Raspberry Pi effectively, and I hope by 1st of July I can release the same. So thank you guys once again for watching this video. In case if you have any feature requests or new suggestions in terms of adding within TOFFEE-Mocha, you can send it across. And one thing I want to make sure that it looks as simple as possible. As you can see here, no matter how many features you support, it should look quite intuitive to configure and also to follow, and this is the objective of TOFFEE-Mocha. I have seen also various WAN emulation open source tools and even commercial tools. The problem is it has so much of knobs to adjust, and that leads to eventually a confusion. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.